Парискиот договор постави јасни цели за намалување на емисиите, речиси на половина, и одреди дека следниот период кој што ќе биде многу важен, ни остава околу 10 години за да го спасиме светот. Зашто токму следниот период мора да биде посветен на климатска акција?
Let me take us a little bit back to 2015 to New York when the world leaders come together and adopted Sustainable Development Goals as a shared vision how to save the planet, how to ensure a peaceful world, and how to eliminate poverty. In that time, world was thinking that we have enough time for this ambitious vision. But then now we have only 10 years, and we realize that if we will continue with this speed and scale, we will not manage to deliver on our ambitious commitment. That's why last year in September, UN Secretary General called the whole world, all countries and all parts of the society for a decade of action. So action be taken at all levels, at the global level, at the country level, and at the people's level.
Како UNDP ја поддржува климатската акција во Македонија?
The United Nations Development Program works with the Ministry of Environment and Physical Planning and with other stakeholders to see what is the best option for the country. And you will be surprised that the results are very ambitious, but and also very impressive. So it is possible to, by 2014, to reduce greenhouse gases up to 82%, comparing with the 1990. I mean, I can imagine your reaction. You will say, I mean, is it realistic? And I'm here to confirm that yes, it is realistic, but it requires a commitment from all parts of the society.
Македонските граѓани го препознаваат UNDP како еден од клучните играчи кога се во прашање информациите поврзани со климатските промени. Како UNDP ја поддржува кампањата Климата се менува, зошто не и ти?
UNDP is working with the Ministry of Environment and Physical Planning and with other stakeholders already more than 20 years when it's come to the strategic documents and the policies in the area of climate change. So a couple of years ago, we also support the ministry with the development of the climate change communication strategy, as well as to putting together the national platform on climate change. So this is a platform where for the knowledge sharing, for creating, increasing awareness raising of the different parts of the society, also general public. People like hearing stories from the people they know, you know, when they're seeing that neighbor did something and it worked, or the friend did something and it worked, it creates impetus and inspiration to also go out and take the action. So in that platform, we collected many stories, but also in addition to that, to engage youth, we announced the competition of posters. And we received many posters with the very inspiring, the logos and the messages. The winner was a young girl from Step, and it's amazing when you see the youth with a really inspiration to change the world. So, and she's not alone. You will go to the website, you will read the stories, and you will see that in North Macedonia, there are many champions of the climate change. So that's why I would like to encourage people. Please go to the national platform on climate change, read the stories, and I'm sure you will be inspired on your own climate change action. And I would like to thank Ministry of Environment and Physical Planning, but particularly the Communication Department for great cooperation with us.
Како пандемијата со COVID-19 се одрази на спроведувањето на самата кампања и преземањето на климатски акции?
What we noticed that people, because they stay at home, they are going more often to the virtual space. And also here I am referring to the national platform on climate change. Now it's a window of opportunity, and 2020 is a crucial time for Paris Agreement. So all parts should come together to take the bold action to address the climate change. I would like to refer also on a UNDP's global offer, which is also addressed at the local level. So first, our reaction was that the COVID changed our life, so we need to think about the immediate response to the COVID. But after a couple of months, we already start thinking about the recovery. And recently, UNDP at the corporate level announced a new offer, thinking and looking beyond the recovery. So most importantly, that recovery should be people-centered, it should be digital, and which is related to our discussion for today, it should be green. So we need to change our lifestyle, our relation with the nature, the way we use land, water, environment. Otherwise, the problems next time will be even worse.